Hey, Catherine, it's Ming. I was gonna respond to your email, but I thought that maybe it might be easier if I just sort of recorded a video for you. So I'm just responding to this glitch that you have found. I don't think it's so much a glitch as basically we need to basically rework how our RX limits have been structured. Um, right now, until now, we've basically been using this sort of idea of like inclusive limits as opposed to exclusive limits. And what I mean by that is that let's say that you have a lens that is 1.59 index and it ranges from, say, SPH -2 to 2. Um, Typically, the way that we've done it is that you have that range of -2 to 2. And then if you have a 1.61 lens, it would range from -4 to 4. I think what you're looking for is a way to sort of exclude the -2 to 2 from the 1.61 lens. So what you're looking for is kind of like again, the 1.59 is -2 to 2, but your 1.61, you want that to be -2.25 to -4. That is logic that we don't currently support, but you're the second store this week to have asked for it. It's funny because we've never heard this request before, but now that, it's becoming a major request, we're going to build that for you. But until then, because the logic may take a little bit of time to build, I just wanted to show you a video basically explaining how we can sort of meet the requirements that you listed out in this email um, uh, through our current logic. So this is your lens advisor. I built a lens flow here called example RX limits by Ming. The prescription type is single vision. Lens group is clear lenses. And we have two lenses here, 1.59 and 1.61. And I've just set it up the way that our logic currently supports. So if you look at 1.59, the limits are from -4 to 4 and CYL -2 to 2. If we look at 1.61, it's -6 to 6 and -4 to 4. So if we look at, I also assigned this, I'm going to assign a test product. I believe you have a test product. Sorry, my computer is getting really slow right now because I'm recording my whole screen. Test frame. Yeah, test frame pre-built. This one. Okay, so if we go here, let me just refresh this page. So if we enter manually, and let's say it's -0.25 and -0.25, let me just choose a PD. Yeah, you'll notice that both lenses appear because these values are within the limits. Now, if we do one that is within the limit the limit was 4 for 1.59, and we do -4.25, so this should be 1.61. Let's see what happens. Only 1.61 appears. So actually, if we go back to this email, if one has high astigmatism -4 and the other is relatively normal. So let's do this for cylinder. Let me just look again about the cylinders that I had set up. So let's use right lens CYL of -1 and left is -3 and see what appears. I believe 1.61 should appear. So we're just going to set SPH of -1.5 as you described. And the right CYL is -1 and the right The left CYL is -3. And we just find a random value for axis. 1.61 should appear. And it does. So yeah, hopefully this helps a little bit. And let me know if you have any questions.